How to export contacts to Gmail on Android. This tutorial shows you how to back up and sync your phone contacts to your Google account. First, open the Contacts app on your Android device. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines or menu icon in the top left corner. Following that, tap on Settings or Manage Contacts. Now, look for Export Contacts or Import Export. Moving forward, tap on Export to File or Export Contacts. Afterwards, select your Google account as a destination. In addition to that, choose which contacts you want to export, all contacts or specific groups. Once there, tap Export or Save to begin the process. Subsequently, your contacts will be saved as a VCF file and uploaded to your Gmail account. Moreover, to ensure contacts are always synced, go to Settings app on your device. Afterwards, scroll down and tap on Accounts and Backup. Then, tap on Manage Accounts and select your Google account. Within Account Sync, make sure the Contacts toggle is turned on. Alternatively, tap Sync Now to immediately sync all contacts to Gmail. Once synced, all your contacts are backed up to Gmail and accessible from any device. And that's it. If this contact export guide helped you back up your phone numbers, give it a like, subscribe for more Android backup tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.